One day, a merchant in Baghdad sent his servant to the market to buy some spices. When the servant came back, he was white with fear. "Master," he said, "forgive me, but I have not brought the spices. When I was at the market, I felt the touch of a cold hand on my shoulder. I turned around and saw that it was Death himself. He looked into my eyes and made a threatening gesture. I dropped the spices and ran back as quickly as I could. Please, master, I beg you, lend me your fastest horse so I can ride away from this city. I will go far away to Samara, where death will never find me." The merchant gave him the horse, and the servant galloped away. Then the merchant went to the market and saw that what his servant had said was true. Standing in the crowd was Death. The merchant approached him and said, "You scared my servant this morning. He has run away. Why did you make a threatening gesture when you saw him?"
"You are mistaken,"
Death replied.
"It was not a threatening gesture. I simply raised my arms in surprise. I was astonished to see him this morning in Baghdad, because I have an appointment with him this evening in Samara."